Good morning, students of class 4. I am Sister Jinsi, your English literature and language teacher. I hope all of you are fine and learning your lessons well. So in the previous classes we have learned the subject, the predicate, the sentences and the kinds of sentences. So today we are going to learn the new topic from your book, lesson 4, negative sentences. So we are going to learn what is a negative sentences, what is negative sentence, how we put negative sentences matching with the affirmative sentences, changing affirmative sentences into negative sentences, and some rules that we have to keep in mind while making the negative sentence. So let's see what is a negative sentence. A negative sentence having words like not, no, nobody, nothing, never, etc. in it is called a negative sentence. Means in a sentence we'll find all these type of words. Those type of sentences are known as negative sentences. And in your book, in the left hand side, you will see affirmative sentences, and the right side of the page you will see negative sentences. Now what is an affirmative sentences? Affirmative sentences are the positive sentences which we have already learned earlier. So affirmative sentences, those type of sentences, the words, this type of words like not, no, nobody, nothing will not be there. So those are affirmative sentences or the positive sentences. So let's see with some examples. She is a liar. It's an affirmative sentence. To make it, we have to put not. Let us see what is how we can make this into negative sentence. She is not a liar. Negative sentences expresses a refusal or denial. Here in this sentence we will see first one is confirming and telling she is a liar. But in the negative sentence is denying that she is not a liar. Now a sentence having two verbs, helping verb and main verb, we write not after the helping verb. For example, the baby was playing. The baby was not playing. That is a negative sentence. And you will see was is a helping verb and playing is a main verb. Sentences containing have, has or had show possessions. So the negative sentences are formed has, have, had plus no. For example, we have holiday today. We have no holiday today is a negative sentence. They had a laptop. They had no laptop. So remember, for making negative sentences, the word not is placed in between the helping verb and the main verb. Now, you will see in your book with the main heading negative contractions, means full forms and contractions, that is short forms. For example, is not, isn't, are not, aren't, where we try to form these words, the contractions, using the apostrophe and making into short words. So please go through all the negative contractions given in your book, page 18. Now, to keep in mind few points. When we use negative sentences in a simple present or a simple past is formed as do, does, did plus not, and the base form. Base form is the first form of the verb. And negative sentences in present continuous and the past continuous tense is formed is, am, are, was, were plus not plus ing form of the verb. So we get the negative sentences without any difficulty. So we have learned how to use these affirmative sentences, changing into negative sentences, then where we are supposed to be placing not, no, this type of words. So please go through your book, read it many times, try to find the different way the sentences are formed, especially the negative sentences, and then thereafter you will do your book exercises. And if you have any doubts, kindly ask during your language classes, and I will be sending you all the copy work during the class time. Thank you.